Hey friends, it's Laura and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am sharing a fun DIY paperclip tutorial with you today. I am working with my wild hair kits for the month and I'm really excited. This is a collaboration with my friend Rachel Tallman, who is on the Wild Hair Kits design team with me. And this month we asked for matching twin kits. And we decided that we were going to do a series of challenges where we were each going to make the same type of project and see how differently that same type of project turned out with the same kits, just because we're different people and we're not doing the crafts together. And I thought that would be so fun, to be able to compare and contrast and see what the two of us end up making using the same supplies and the same type of challenge, and see how similar or different our end result turns up. So today we're sharing the first video in this challenge, and it is for handmade embellishments. Rachel went with rosettes, and I am doing DIY layered paper clips. I love these. I've done these on my channel before a while back. I think it was last fall, and I've been wanting to make more because they're just so perfect for sliding into your Bible or putting into your planner or putting on a page to dress it up a little. I love these and they're so cute. So I'm working with my wild hair kit and creating different paper banners here to fold in half over my paper clips, and I'm layering up lots of different patterned papers there. You can see I'm still obsessing over the pinks and the reds and the oranges and the yellows right now. I am like on a 70s vibe, like obsessed with 70s style stuff right now, and I've actually started editing my photos on my Instagram to be a little bit more like warm toned and have those like orangey yellow redishes in them. And yeah, I just realized when I said reddish it sounded like radish. Anyway, so yeah, I'm obsessed with that whole thing. And then, we just have so many cool stuff out in the art world right now. Like the crepe paper is all Heartline, has all that collage stuff. And here's one of the papers I got in my kit. You can see it's got all those cute hands on it with gold foil. And they have different phrases on them like okay, peace, lots of cool stuff like that. And I cut one of those little hands out a little bit. I'll cut it down even further to take away the pink border that's around it. And I'm going to go through and fussy cut a few of my papers to get embellishments to add to these paper clips. I fussy cut the branding strips off of some of my patterned papers, and they end up being the perfect size, those branding strips, to take the little phrases on them and put them on top of my layered tags here. And for instance, one of them says it's all good with a thumbs up. That is the branding strip for that line of papers, which, yeah, I think it's Dear Lizzie. We'll see. We'll find out, maybe. I might be wrong. But anyway, that worked out perfectly. It was the perfect size, and that will end up making it onto one of my paper clips. I have an ephemera pack that came in my kit this month. If you watched my unboxing video, you already know all of the fun crafty goodness I am working with for this video. And the ephemera pack that I got, the pieces were just so big. So what I end up doing is actually fussy cutting a lot of those patterned papers to get different elements and words that will act like word stickers and little icons and stuff that are the like proper size to put on these paper clips and aren't too big and overwhelming. So I started adding some enamel dots. I added a yellow one and a pink one to my first layered paper clip, and then I added a chipboard heart to my second paper clip, messing around with some of those little phrases there that I had fussy cut out of one of the patterned papers. And I don't end up using all the stuff that I fussy cut out, but I do use quite a few little goodies. And for the most part, these paper clips are fairly flat, which is good for adding to my Bible and stuff because I like to keep those pages pretty flat and not too bulky because I just love it adding more and more and more, and I don't want to have to go out and buy a new journaling Bible, so I try to keep those pages flat. So yeah, trying to keep these paper clips flat too, because I imagine that's how I will use most of these paper clips. So in addition to the branding strips of each of the pattern papers, there was also two 12 by 12 pattern papers that Rachel and I got in our kits this month that have phrases all over them. So you saw the one there, I think it was Amy Tangerine. It had so many good phrases on it, and I cut out several of those that will end up making it onto my paper clips. And I end up taking off that chipboard heart from my one paper clip, and instead I add an ephemera piece from my ephemera pack that has that copper foil camera on it, and then I add a couple of those, I'll call them like word stickers or phrase stickers, but it's actually just the paper that I had fussy cut, and then I used hot glue to glue it down. I use hot glue for most of this stuff because I think the last time I made these, I used wet glue and I used like double-sided tape, and it didn't hold up as much as I would have liked. So I'm using a lot of hot glue on these ones. And then on this very last one here, you can see I actually added a huge ephemera piece and just overlapped it with my paper clip. I thought it looked so cute. And that's the only one that has a whole lot of dimension. I end up raising that up on some of the negative of my chipboard that came in my chipboard pack this month. I just cut apart some of the negative space of that chipboard that goes around the pieces that you're meant to use, and use that to put that little house up off there. And yeah, I think it looks so cute. I love the way that little hand looks with the OK and the Seek Magic. I love all the red and all the orange and the yellow and the warm tones. I think these are so cute, and I hope this inspires you to get crafting. If you want to check out the Wild Hare kits, I will link them down below. They are a hand-curated kit company where you can be surprised with wonderful goodies that are perfectly suited to your style and taste. And I will also link Rachel's channel down below so you can see the fun DIY embellishments that she made for today's challenge, as well as the additional challenges that we're doing throughout the month with different scrapbook layouts, and we're also making tags and all kinds of fun stuff so you can compare and contrast both of our projects using the same kit. And if you want to get crafty with me, I will link my crafty e-courses down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you like this kind of video and want me to do more DIY type videos. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!